Me just name one big blood clot place of food and lie down here. And me I tell you, say my belly full and me feel good. It's a wonderful feeling, man. Me just relax here now, before I go to my shift later on. But me I tell you, man, me love food bad. Yeah, next to God. God come first, and then food next. Yeah, man. And when me name a big plate of food, like what me just do a while ago. See? But me don't know where me put it. It look like I just one place to go. But that's alright still. Everything blessed. Yeah, man, and that's how it go. But anyway, me don't like see nobody with more food than me neither. Because if you sit down side of me and I eat, me and name my food and me and watch your plate too. And me no share food. You can't even get a bumbuckler rice grain from me. I tell you the truth. So if you feel like you can't get anything off of my plate, think twice, because you're not going to get it. Trust me. Yeah, man. Me can name for the whole of blood clot Britain. Maybe you can drink me under the table, but you can't name me under the table. Or maybe you can if you're female. Okay. It's alright, left it there, so. Yeah, man, but Mr. Man, me love my food. You know what, in fact, I look some food down now again, because blood clot, me feel hungry, so pussy clot.